In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sakbon bill.com. To start, you will sign up for a bill.com account, so you can begin using the platform for your business payments and related tasks. The first thing you need to do is open your browser and go to the bill.com sign up page. On screen, look for the area that says Signing Up or a similar Get Started option, since that is where the registration process begins. Once you are on the bill.com sign up page, click Get Started. This button usually takes you into the account creation form. Take a moment to make sure the page is loaded correctly before you begin entering details, because you want to avoid missing any required fields. Next, you will enter your first name. Type it carefully into the first name field. Even though it may seem simple, entering the name accurately helps ensure your account details are correct and match your business records. After that, move to the last name field and enter your last name. Again, type it exactly as you want it to appear on your account. Now you will be asked to enter your work email. Use the email address you use for business communication, since this is typically where bill.com will send important messages related to your account. After you enter your work email, you will continue to the phone field. Enter your phone number next. If you are using a business phone or a number you can access, that is usually the best choice, because verification and account updates may be tied to that contact method. After you have filled in your phone number, you will enter your company name. This is the name of the business you are registering under. Make sure you type the company name as it appears officially, because it will help establish your account identity within bill.com. Radohive, once your company name is entered, you will be prompted to select your number of employees. Use the drop-down or selection options to choose the range that best matches your business size. This information helps bill.com understand how the service will be used and may determine how certain features are presented to you during setup. Next, you will select what type of activity you want to use bill.com for. Choose one option that matches your needs, either accounts payable and receivable or spend and expense. If you are focused on managing bills and invoices and tracking money in and out, you will select accounts payable and receivable. If you are more focused on controlling spending, expense tracking, and reimbursement workflows, you will select spend and expense. Take a moment here to choose the option that best reflects how your organization operates. From there, you will complete the remaining sign-up questions. These questions may include additional details about how you plan to use the platform. Read each question carefully and enter the requested information. If a field is required, make sure it is filled in before you continue, because skipping a required item can prevent you from finishing registration. As you work through the remaining questions, keep your eyes on the screen for any prompts or confirmation messages that indicate progress. Once you have entered everything, review your information briefly to catch any typos in names, company name, or the contact details you entered. When you are satisfied that everything is correct, proceed through the final part of the setup as prompted by the page. That is it. You have completed the bill.com sign-up process, and you are ready to move forward with your account. That covers everything you need to know.